Hello, and thank you for joining me for this episode about building a daily English habit. I am happy you are here. My name is Emily Carter, and I am an English coach from Seattle in the United States. I have helped learners around the world create simple daily study routines that really work. In this podcast, I will share clear and easy ideas you can use every day. Each sentence is short, so it is easy to follow and read. Between topics, you will hear a short musical break. The music lets your mind rest for a moment before the next idea begins. Now, please sit comfortably, take a gentle breath, and let us begin this learning journey together. Daily practice is powerful because it works like slow rain on dry soil. Slow rain soaks deep and feeds every root. In the same way, small bits of English each day reach every corner of your memory. A long study session once a week is like a storm that runs off fast. It feels big, but much water is lost. Your brain forgets quickly when gaps are long. Imagine you want to learn to play guitar. If you play for 4 hours on Sunday and then do nothing all week, your fingers stay stiff. If you play 10 minutes every day, your fingers grow strong and flexible. Language learning follows the same rule. Little and often beats big and rare. This is not only my opinion. Many studies show that daily contact with new words improves recall by over 50% compared to weekly sessions. The number may sound technical, but the message is simple. Come back tomorrow. Even 5 minutes counts. Over a month, 5 minutes a day becomes 2.5 hours. Over a year, it becomes 1 full week of nonstop English. That is the secret power of daily effort. Let us talk about clear goals. A clear goal turns a wish into a plan. Without a goal, we drift like a boat with no anchor. I suggest the SMART style: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-based. But those words can feel heavy, so let us break them into plain language. Specific means you know exactly what you will do. Measurable means you can count it. Achievable means it fits your life today, not next year. Relevant means it helps your real purpose, not someone else's dream. Time-based means it has a clock or a calendar. Here is an example. Every weekday morning at 7, I will read 10 lines from a graded reader. You know the time, the amount, and the days. You can place the reader next to your coffee mug. Another example. During lunch, I will listen to a 3-minute news story with simple English. You can measure 3 minutes with any phone timer. A third example. At night, I will write 4 short sentences about my day. 4 sentences keep the task light, but regular. Write your goals in bright ink and stick them on the fridge or near your computer screen. Every glance reminds you who you want to become. And here is a secret tip. Start embarrassingly small. If 10 lines feel heavy, start with 3. Success grows from easy wins. Easy wins feed confidence, and confidence fuels bigger wins. Joy keeps a habit alive when energy drops. Choose activities that feel like a small gift, not a duty. If you enjoy cooking, read recipes in English and underline verbs such as chop, stir, boil, and taste. Later, say them aloud while you cook dinner. If you enjoy sports, follow the official website of your favorite team in English. You will meet words like score, coach, forward, and victory in a real context. If you enjoy music, pick songs with clear lyrics. Listen, read the lyrics, then sing along twice. Singing trains rhythm, pronunciation, and breath control at the same time. You can also mix reading, listening, speaking, and writing through the week. Monday could be reading news. Tuesday could be watching a short video. Wednesday could be recording your voice for 1 minute. Thursday could be writing a tiny diary entry. Friday could be a puzzle game with new words. Saturday could be a longer listening session while you tidy your room. Sunday could be gentle review and planning for the next week. Variety is like different colors on a plate. It keeps the mind curious. Yet keep each piece small. Stop while you still feel fresh. Stopping at the sweet spot leaves you hungry for tomorrow. Link your new habit to an old habit. This idea is called habit stacking, and it is simple but strong. After you brush your teeth, open a dictionary app and read one word of the day. After you pour your morning drink, listen to a 2-minute podcast. After you close your laptop at work, whisper 5 sentences about your day in English. After you turn off the living room light, write 3 new words on a sticky note. These links remove the need to decide. You do not ask, "Should I learn now?" You simply follow the chain, like train cars connected on a track. Visual cues help as well. Place a small English book next to your toothbrush. Put a sticky note that says, "Listen" on your mug. Turn the diary app icon bright yellow so it jumps out from the screen. Make practice as automatic as locking the door when you leave home. Life is full of micro moments. A micro moment is a tiny gap of idle time. Waiting for an elevator is one. Riding 2 floors takes 20 seconds, enough for 1 flashcard. Standing in a line is another. Open an app and review a short phrase. A friend is 2 minutes late for a call. Shadow 1 sentence from a video. These small actions feel too small to matter, yet they matter a lot. 10 micro moments of 2 minutes equal 20 minutes of study. That is 20 minutes you did not plan, but you used. Soon your brain looks for micro moments everywhere. English becomes the default choice instead of random scrolling. That switch alone can double your contact time without touching your calendar. Motivation moves in waves, high and low. Plan for low days while your motivation is high. Create an easy list with super simple tasks. Here are examples. Read 1 funny meme in English. Repeat 1 phrase you already know. Label 1 object in your room with its English name. When you feel tired, pick 1 item from the easy list. Completing even a tiny task keeps the habit chain unbroken. Celebrate each week of consistency. 7 days deserves a small reward, like your favorite snack or an extra rest. Tell a friend or an online community about your streak. Public sharing adds gentle pressure to continue. Positive self-talk matters too. Say aloud, "I'm an English learner and I practice every day." This sentence sets your identity. Action follows identity, so remind yourself often. Tracking progress makes your effort visible. Humans trust what they can see. Draw a simple calendar on paper. Each day you practice, draw a green X. After a few days, you see a small chain. Day by day, the chain grows longer. Breaking a long chain feels painful, so you stay consistent. You can also keep a voice diary. Once a week, record yourself for 30 seconds. Talk about any topic, maybe your lunch, the weather, or a small success at work. Save each file with a date. After 4 weeks, listen to the first and the last recordings. You will hear clearer flow, fewer pauses, and better word choice. That proof feels great and pushes you forward. For writing progress, save your daily sentences in one document. Read page 1 after a month and see how your old mistakes look obvious. Progress is slow, but proof is powerful. Common challenges will appear, but every challenge has a door. If you say, "I have no time," answer, "I have micro moments." If you say, "I feel shy," answer, "I can speak alone first, then with a friendly partner." If you say, "I forget words," answer, "I can use spaced repetition." Spaced repetition means reviewing after 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, and 1 month. If you say, "I get bored," answer, "I can change my materials to match my hobbies." If you say, "I lose motivation," answer, "I can shorten tasks and celebrate small wins." Write your own answers on a card and keep it near. When trouble arrives, read the card and apply the answer at once. True learner stories can inspire us. Kenji from Osaka began with 3 minutes of shadowing each dawn. He used a free podcast and old earphones. After 6 months, he greeted tourists in his city with confidence. His secret was not equipment, but daily rhythm. Sarah from Cairo loves drawing. She followed art channels with English subtitles. Each night she watched a 3-minute tip and wrote one key idea. She soon knew words like outline, shade, and texture. Now she joins live streams and chats with artists worldwide. Lucas from São Paulo spends 2 hours on buses each day. He divided beginner audiobooks into 5-minute slices. He repeats one slice until he understands every line. After a year, he finished 3 novels and felt proud. Mina from Seoul enjoys baking. She reads simple recipes and leaves comments in English. Other bakers reply, and she makes new friends. Ali from Istanbul practices pronunciation by reading children's stories to his little niece. The child loves the stories, and Ali improves his accent. These learners show that tools are less important than consistency and creativity. As your skill grows, raise the bar gently. If 5 minutes feels easy, add 2 more. If graded readers feel slow, pick a short news article. If beginner podcasts feel clear, try a faster one. Growth should feel like stretching, not like pain. A plant needs bigger pots as roots expand, but you must not break the roots. Check your feeling every 2 weeks. If you feel lost, step back a little. Small steps forward are better than large steps backward. Creating an English environment helps your brain switch languages quickly. Change your phone menu to English if that feels safe. Follow social media accounts that post short English tips. Place sticky notes on common items at home: door, window, table, spoon. Speak to yourself in English while doing simple tasks like washing dishes. Describe each step. I turn the tap. I rinse the cup. Self-talk is free, private, and powerful. It trains thinking in English instead of translating from your native tongue. Calm reflection fixes memories. Sit comfortably, close your eyes for 10 seconds, and recall one new word you met today. Say the word slowly. Create one small sentence with it. Smile and feel proud that you learned something new. This moment of calm seals the memory like pressing a seal on warm wax. People often believe myths about language learning. Myth 1. Adults cannot learn as fast as children.